Hello guys, today I've got T-Mobile 5G router DL5M2 and I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi settings grayed out and locked. If your settings are grayed out and locked, this actually means normal for this router model and not a glitch in most cases. T-Mobile intentionally limits many advanced controls on these gateways, especially Wi-Fi tuning features. So, the first thing, understand the real reason. On DL5M2 and similar T-Mobile routers, we've got many Wi-Fi settings locked by firmware, and control is moved to the TLive application or cloud provisioning system like My Wi-Fi panel or T-Mobile backend. Apart from that, we can use some kind of the applications like My T-Mobile application on the mobile or something like that. And the web interface often shows grayed out options, read-only status pages, and limited controls only. This is expected behavior, not a bug. Number 2 solution. Use the TLive application, which is main solution. Most Wi-Fi settings are only editable here. Check Wi-Fi name, password, bind behavior, connected devices, and reboot controls. If settings are grayed out in browser, they are usually editable in the app instead. Check if your router is in managed mode. Settings may be locked because router is still tied to the T-Mobile cloud provisioning, device is not fully locally controlled, and firmware update is pending or stuck. You need to fix it by opening TLive application, checking the gateway status, ensure device is fully activated or online, and reboot router once. Try the hidden local page. Some DL5M2 firmware versions still expose partial controls. You need to type your Wi-Fi, your address, which is here, this website address right over there, which is 192. Point 168.1.1/networks. This is not officially guaranteed, but on some firmwares it reveals Wi-Fi settings. Here I guess it won't. You need to just here type this IP, and then after this slash you need to type networks. Reboot to refresh the config sync. You need to turn it off using this button at the back, unplug the cable, and wait 60 seconds. After these 60 seconds, plug your cable back into the router and wait 5 to 10 minutes. This can resync cloud config and unlock temporarily stuck settings, and of course restore Wi-Fi control in the app. And apart from that, we've got here factory reset as the option. Only if settings are completely stuck. If everything is grayed out and app control is broken, hold reset pinhole for 10 to 15 seconds and wait for reboot 5 to 10 minutes. Here, as you can see, we've got this hole. You need to prepare yourself a paper clip and put it right here until you hear a click. After hearing a click, you need to keep holding this button for a period of time, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Then you'll need to reset it either via the control panel or the TLive application. This clears cloud lock state, corrupted configuration sync, and stuck provisioning profiles. That's it. Goodbye.